All right, today we're back and we're going to be unboxing and installing. It's a master lockbox. You flip this down and it's got the combination dial on it and then a lever next to it. I'll show you how it works. So we're going to dig into this and then see what all's in here. Probably just instructions and that's it. So let's go ahead and get this open. And we are doing this unboxing outside today because why not? Alright, so you have the box itself. There's 4 mounting screws on the back of it, but you can flip this down. Right now from the factory it's set to all zeros, so that's all you do is pull down on this when you get your combination set and it pops open, and it's got the 4 screws with it. That's awesome because then I don't have to use these tap cons. But the only thing you're going to need to install this box is your screws. You're going to need a drill, and then I prefer to use an impact. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mount this on the door frame instead of the actual wall of the structure here. All right, so now we're gonna program this. So you're gonna open it, and then right here you wanna push this lever over and down to that position. That's where it originally was. So we'll pull it down. And then, for the sake of this, we will make the combination 3006. So we'll just move this lever back to where it should be. And before you close this door, check it a couple times. Make sure that that lever right here can still move. So 3006, here we go. And it opens. Let's scramble the numbers a little bit. Doesn't open. Now we'll go back to 3006. And it opens again. Simple as that. So we'll do a real quick video on installation. Alright, so our tripod isn't exactly tall enough, but where I have this mounted while setting right now is as tall as pretty much as tall as what I'm comfortable with. If the girlfriend needs to get in, then there's steps here that she can stand on. So that's pretty much how high I want it. So you're gonna open it, and then in there is your 4 mounting holes. Now what I did is I ended up using this door frame here to make sure this is perfectly lined up, straight up and down. So we'll get our holes marked out and then start drilling. All right, now we're gonna drill out our 4 holes. Now we're going to go ahead and screw the unit in. And that's pretty much it. It's as tall as I need it, and then just the 4 screws, and that's it. So you can close her up, close that up. It keeps weather and winter and all that stuff away from the dials, and that's about it. So any questions or comments on it? Oh, it says in the thing that it's supposed to hold like 5 keys. I'm only gonna keep 2 in here, my regular man door and then the one for the actual garage door. So the reason why I got this is because it prevents me from going into the house and searching for my keys every time I need in here, which is quite often. So that's pretty much it. So any questions or comments, let me know down below, and thanks for watching.